First, we download and extract the zipped Gob add-on file from GitHub. Then, in Blender, we install the add-on from Preferences, Add-ons. After installing the add-ons, export, import, and manual options are added to the top of the canvas, which I recommend, and the software may need to be restarted. With all this, the ZBrush software's expert model automatically opens. In ZBrush, after identifying the Blender software, we have three options: Goes, All, and Visible for exporting files in the Tools panel. With the help of this add-on, we can easily transfer low or high poly 3D models between these two softwares, which saves us a lot of time.